Hello YouTubers, just here to show me my toy, my earthy car. It's a hefty tribeshead, 1/10. Four-wheel drive, aluminium drive shaft. The only thing I need to play with it again is a new battery and charger. Right now the battery did suck big time and the charger did broke. I have had plans to update it with a brushless engine and brushless speed control, but it's too darn expensive. But it's got some aluminum drive shafts, aluminum plate. I can upgrade with aluminium shock towers, aluminium chassis, aluminium shocks. I can do almost the complete set in aluminium. It's rated to do 45 km/h and a lot of fun to drive. We have the control. It's I don't remember if it's a 4-way or a 6-way, but I believe it's a 6-way. You can drive steering forward, backwards, and then you can trim it in, even more trim controls. Well, that's all for me now. Just a quick video on my toy.